Hi, today we are making goulash on buffalo advice dad. You take your pot, spray it with some oil, add your beef, add your spices here, garlic, parsley, basil, salt, pepper, mix it up, let it cook. While that's cooking, cut up your vegetables, you did onions, carrots, and peppers, adding some chicken broth to the pot, take the beef off, save the grease and stuff. Picking up those vegetables here, and those simmer, adding some tomato sauce, adding some spices, basil, Italian seasoning, add whatever you like here, mix it up, there you go, Italian seasoning, let it get to a boil here. I'm going to add in my pasta here, add however much you like, cover and simmer, get to a boil, and I'm going to add into your ground beef, mix that in, get it to lower it, and get it to a boil again, simmer it, cooking late tonight here, about a 5, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.